Hey, welcome to the Plant-Based Scratch Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a dry saute using onions and peppers in a pasta sauce. And the secret to this is basically just to have a hot skillet. Now I'm using a cast iron skillet. I take really good care of mine and it's really well seasoned, but a cast iron or a stainless steel skillet will work just fine too. Basically just get it hot and then add your vegetables. Like for me, I have my onions and my red peppers. The liquids, the water that's in your vegetables will naturally help cook and caramelize without any oil. As you can see here, my onions are starting to caramelize nicely, same with the peppers, and just keep it moving and they will not stick. I'm going to make some room here to add some walnuts. I chopped up some walnuts. This is going to be my substitute for meat in my pasta sauce, and this will give some wonderful texture as well as source of fat in my pasta sauce. Now I've just made a little extra room again for some cumin on my hot pan. The cumin is really going to have the flavors enhanced, and then I'm going to combine this all now that my onions have caramelized as well as my peppers and the cumin is heated up, and we just combine it all with the walnuts. And now I'm going to add my pasta sauce. You can use any one of your personal favorites. I like a particular brand that I use. It has almost no added oils and it's very low in sugar. And you cook it here for about a minute or so, and just to thoroughly get all of the ingredients combined and to just build the flavor as well. And just let it continue to cook. And then if you want to, like what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add some additional Italian seasoning. This will add some additional flavor. You could use dried herbs like I have here. You could add some fresh herbs as well. And the aroma coming off here is just amazing. Now I have my cooked pasta. This is gluten-free pasta, and it is also made from 100% chickpeas, chickpea flour. So it's high in protein, 100% gluten-free, and it's just wonderful. I like this, the rotini shape. It holds the pasta sauce really well. And I've plated it, and I'm just adding some fresh basil. This smells great. I am hungry. This is going to taste amazing. Thanks for watching. For more, go to speakingwellness.com.